So coming to question number 2 of exercise, this exercise is only 2 questions. Again we have to construct a quadrilateral true. So I am drawing a rough figure. TRUE, which is the quadrilateral we have to draw. Okay, so TR is 3.5 centimeter, RU is 3 centimeter, UE is 4 centimeter, angle R is 75 degree and angle U is 120 degree. Again, as we have done in the previous question, you have to find a line which has both the angles, right? So we can see angle R is 75, angle U is 120. So R and U, this line has angle R also and angle U also. So I am drawing here again a rough figure. Now we will keep RU in the bottom part, the baseline, right? U capital, okay, here. Then the quadrilateral should be formed TRUE, right? So I am starting from here, TRUE. Now RU is 3 centimeter, TR is 3.5, UE is 4 centimeter, angle R is 75 degree and angle U is 120 degree. So now we will start the construction part. First we will draw a line RU, that is of measurement 3 centimeter. So it will be quite a small line, right? So RU is of 3 centimeter. So first step is draw RU of 3 centimeter. Now we have to construct angle R equal to 75 and angle U equal to 120 degree, right? This one we have to do. Angle R we have to construct of 75 degree and angle U we have to construct of 120 degree. So taking some fixed arbitrary radius, say this much small I have to take because line is too small. So keeping at R point, I am drawing it. Okay, an arc I have drawn. Now keeping at this point, okay, keeping at this point, I will draw the first arc which is of measurement 60 degree, the second arc which is of measurement 120. Now between 60 and 120, I am drawing the bisector which will be of measurement 90 degree. So bringing this bisector onto this arc which we have drawn before, this is of 60, this is of 90. So in between 60 and 90, I will get 75 degree. So from here I am drawing an arc from these 2 points. So the point of intersection of these 2 points will be the line segment. When I will join from R to this point of intersection will give me an angle of 75 degree. So producing it to some point X, this angle so formed is of 75 degree. Okay, so steps I am writing. At R, draw angle R equal to 75 degree using compass and produce R to X. Then at U we will now draw angle U equal to 120 degree using compass and produce U to Y. We will do right now this one. At U we will draw an angle of 120 degree. So it is quite simple. Keeping at U, I am drawing a arc. So from this point, okay, from this point, the first arc will measure 60 degree. Keeping at this point, the second arc will measure 120 degree. So this is of point of intersection where measurement is 120 degree. So from U point, I am going to extend the line such that, extend this line to Y such that this angle is equal to 120 degree, right? Now we have constructed at R angle 75 degree. At U we have constructed angle 120 degree. Now from R we have to draw an arc of 3.5 on this RX drawn to get the point T, right? So an arc of 3.5 centimeter. Here I have measured 3.5 centimeter. Keeping at R, the arc which I have drawn intersect this RX drawn at point T. Similarly, from U, I have to construct an arc of 4 centimeter which will intersect the UY drawn at a point, this point, and that point will be named as E, right? This is of 4 centimeter, this is of 3.5. Now we can see we have to join this to get the quadrilateral, right? So till that I will write the steps. So third step is from R, cut an arc of length 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, intersecting RX at T, and from U cut an arc of length 4 centimeter intersecting UY at E. Now fourth step, I have told you we have to join TE to get the quadrilateral. So joining TE, I did it with dotted lines because this measurement is not given to us. So join TE. So last point is TRUE is required quadrilateral. TRUE is required quadrilateral. Clear? So in this way you have to complete this exercise. Okay. First of all, whenever the construction is given with 3 sides and 2 included angle, you have to select base of that side which contain both the included angle, that is this one. And accordingly I have changed the rough figure, and accordingly I have constructed the fair figure. This part and this part should be drawn with pencil, and this should be written with pen. Okay.